What's going on, everyone? This is Travis from SES Integration. I'm here with my good friend Jeremiah from Waves, and we are here to talk about Waves plugins and broadcast audio. So it seems like everyone has a Waves package when it comes to broadcast audio. Why is that? Why are these the tools for the job?
Sure. So I think broadcast specifically provides a different set of challenges than what you would typically face at front of house or even monitors. And it's going to require some tools that go beyond what comes in a standard digital console.
Sure.
And on the listener side of that, you're typically listening to a broadcast stream through your headphones or your phone or your laptop or a Bluetooth speaker or something like that. And you've got a different expectation for what that should sound like, because that's where you listen to your music. So it makes sense that we use the same tools that we use for album production when it comes to a broadcast stream.
Yeah, love that. So let's talk through a few of your favorite plugins.
Sure.
I know as a former worship leader myself, I do have one favorite plugin that is like leaps and bounds above all of them. That's Waves Tune, for sure. Let's talk about some that are important to you.
Yeah, so just to hit on that, I think pitch correction, when we talk about lead vocals or background vocals even, is a big deal when we're talking about broadcast streaming, because it jumps out in a way that there's less grace there than there would be in a live environment.
Yes.
So if you're out on stage and you're mixing front of house, you've got hundreds, maybe thousands of people singing along corporately. You've got a lot of energy on stage. You've got the energy of the room. And it kind of helps mask some of the performance imperfections. You don't have that cover when you're listening to a broadcast stream. And so if the vocals aren't perfectly in tune, it's going to stick out a lot more. So Waves Tune Real Time is not designed to make a bad singer all of a sudden a great vocalist, but it's designed to take those live performances and those minor imperfections and just kind of rein them in and harness the best performance that we can get out of it, so it sounds more palatable to the listener on the other end.
Sure. So Waves Tune is like the worship leader's best friend.
Sure.
What is the audio guy's best friend? What's the production guy's best friend?
Sure. Well, there's lots that we can get into. I think something that's really important is just limiting. When we're talking about broadcast, again, you've got a different set of rules. A live worship set has a huge dynamic swing to it. You've got full band, then you've got someone coming up to give announcements. Then maybe you've got a video, and then it's back to full band, and then to a sermon. So you've got a huge dynamic range there. And in a live environment, that works, you're playing to the room. But in a broadcast environment, you can't have those dramatic swings because people are going to be chasing the volume all over the place. So
Sure.
have some good limiting and good leveling to kind of keep that dynamic range in check, to where when you transition from one element to the next, it's maintaining the same loudness. And on the other side of that, having some accurate loudness metering. So we've got the Waves loudness meter, which provides you with some really good loudness monitoring, so you know that you're hitting the right standards as you're pushing your stream out.
Yeah, love that. Thanks for jumping in and talking with us.
For sure.
Hey, if broadcast audio is something that you or your church, it's something you want to improve, please reach out to us at SES Integration. We would love to help you take that next step and make it sound better. Thank you for watching.